We have to fix our sign today. The batteries or the bulb is not on. Oh, that's easy. He comes out from the bottom, I think. It's a different type of video today. It's going to be inventory. Who don't love that? Inventory 2024. I just got 35 pounds of grains in. I put them away. I thought I recorded it, but the camera did not record it for some reason. Who knows if it's recording right now? Take a peek at that. It says it's recording right now, but who knows? So we'll get on with the inventory sheet. I got a sheet out here, and we'll read off. I forgot to bring the thing. I'll read off what we got here. So yeah, I put the inventory sheet right in the house already. Took the camera in there. I thought I had all the stuff recorded properly, but she did not record. So I'm looking at it again here. Yeah, okay, it seems to be recording. Why wouldn't it? So I'll show you what we got here. I said 30 pounds of grains we just got in. I put away. Ow, that hurts my finger. 35 pounds actually. She's 5 pounds of oats and 30 pounds of 2-row. And beneath that I have 10 pounds of German Munich. I have 5 pounds of Carapils. I have 10 pounds of white wheat. That's my main gig here on this container here. And I got it written on the sheet. I'll put it up online there next to it. All the stuff I do have the grains. So come on over to this one if you're not getting all dizzy. Got these stickers from Finru. Finru's Home Brewing. Here's where I keep most of my specialty grains. Open that up like that. And of course the sheet's in the house. So I just got done saying, oh, I got Maris too. I forgot about 3 pounds of Maris 5 pounds of chocolate. Got some coffee malt is in there. Yeah, coffee malt. Some special B, some rye malt. Yeah, all the specialty type malts are in there for different type brews. There's a little rice left, I think. No, it's not rice. That's some Rauch malt for smoked beers. We'll get low on that. Here's a pack of, this is the rye. Oh, yeah, it looks like rye. That's rye. There's 2 pounds of rye. So yeah, we got quite a few grains in here to brew. At least 5. At least 5 different batches. I'll put this away here carefully. Of different types of beer. But here's my ticket here. Here's my fun. We get back to some of my great beers, which Red Raspberry, this is a puree, 49 ounces. Each one of these are 49 ounces. Sounds like a commercial for the Oregon Puree Company. So we brew a raspberry beer called Raspberry Rapture and Raspberry Raptured. 3 different brews, different names, same beer. We always call it a different name if we change the recipe by over an ounce of something. Misty Mango. We're going to brew another Misty Mango beer. I'm looking at the camera, make sure it's recording because it wasn't before. I'm going to do a Misty Mango. We did a Misty Mango, a Mystery Mango, a Mystified Mango, and we'll come up with another name for this beer, more for the summertime. It's really, really good. We enjoy it on a nice hot day. Blueberry puree, same company. We're going to be doing a lemon blueberry wheat. We've done a lemon blueberry wheat 2 times already. I forget the names of them. off my head. I'd have to look online at the videos. Maybe we'll just do a plain blueberry without the lemon, or we'll do a lemon zest with the blueberry on a wheat beer. That's going to be a real good one. That's why I got the wheat. Then we have the dark sweet cherry. One of these are definitely going for the stout. A nice stout. We brew a stout. We brew a nice peanut butter stout, a plain stout, regular stout, whatever you want to call them. But this makes up a nice cherry. And then last but not least, another dark cherry. And it'll go into like just an ale, a pale ale type brew, which most of these here are going to be. Just because they're fruited don't mean nothing. Now we got 5 pounds of One Step. Of course, we just ordered this stuff. It just came in the other day. And what else is there to talk about? Oh yeah, on the inventory side there, I got the little bit of the Star Sand left. What else? This is the wine we made from a kit. This has got to be racked very shortly. It's been sitting here 2 months now. I have behind that a mead. There's a mead in that jar here that has been sitting. Oh, it's clear as a whistle. This has been sitting for over a year and a week actually. So we're ready to brew anytime. We have our stuff, we have our other stuff over here. A little bit more inventory for those who are interested. In these drawers I keep a lot of my chemicals to adjust the water, inglisses for the wine, different tannins and whatnot. In this drawer we keep some bubblers and bongs, not bongs, but valves and different plugs and bongs and whatnot, parts of the airlocks, parts and pieces. Down here, when I used to bottle, we got bottle caps. I send some of these out to some friends or something. Wax tips for the wine bottles, fast labels for your beer bottles. I haven't used these in a long time. Although I bought them, just haven't brewed in a long time. Maybe I'll give these away as a gift to some other brewers. And down here we keep our capper, some extra batteries, corks, a whole bag full of corks, the corker, and another capper. And down here, for those who are interested, that one sticks a little bit, is my siphon tubes, my hoses, my overflow bubbler, my muslin bags, and whatnot here, and some wine cloth, some extra tubing, the 2 siphon pumps. I got 3 of them. I got a little one here for a gallon jug, which we're going to use today. And I got the bigger 1/2-inch one, and then the 3/8 one for smaller deals. Okay, I continue on. We got a refractometer, some test strips, 2 bottling wands, different sizes, brushes, gauges, temperature gauges that I use on the mash in and whatnot. All kinds of gauges and goodies and whatnot. Down here, we got hooks, as they would say on Oak Island. Hooks! And clasps and whatnot. This is for the hot tub, parts for the hot tub. Different valves for hoses and whatnot for brewing, connections and whatnot that we gather and save. This one I think is empty. It is. And over here, drawer number 2. Some booklets for the garage door, whatnot, tie down, scissors. The gauge I've been looking for, didn't know it was there, but there it is. Inventory time. Kegerator for a Sankey connector. Extra connectors for the, not even sure, these are plugs for regulator gauges and whatnot. I forget what that's for. It's an adapter for something. I know I needed it. There's a keg lock, ball valve, another tap for going on the road, regulator for taking your stuff on the road, both gas and inlets and outlets, set of O-rings, important to keep around. You're always going to need O-rings, and 2 little tanks of CO2 for delivering it while you're on the road. One for the road, we've all heard that. And some wire for my hops that blew down. We'll show that on a short. This winter storm blew my hop plants down. And down here we just keep carboys and stuff. Nothing major, that's the carboys. And that's about it. And we keep the wife over there in that chair right there. How you doing? So that's about it on the inventory. We should have enough gas to brew with. I have a tank back there I got to repair. That'll be my 3rd tank. What else we got? That's about it. So my main thing was to make sure I got the purees come in because they make some dynamite beer. I still got 7 gallons in a kegerator, a keg that I haven't even tapped yet. Oh, I should talk about here. We got some pine nut. We never drank this yet either. These are full bottles of. Get out of there. Might as well drop it. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are my pine nuts. That tastes like cranberry juice almost. Sweet cranberry juice. It's a darn good drinker. Got a mess of these in the basement. And some empty bottles, of course. Case of empty bottles for the other kegging. So that's about it. I don't want to bore everybody else. So until next time, stay Proust and stay thirsty. It's about the average temperature I keep the brew house year round, summertime and winter. About 62 to 64. And